But what exactly is Kubernetes? Imagine you have a brilliant application running in a container. Now imagine you need to run hundreds of copies of it. Make sure they are always healthy. Update them without any downtime. And scale them up when traffic pours in. Doing this manually is a nightmare. This is where the Kubernetes comes in. Think of it as the autopilot for your containerized applications. It's a powerful system that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of your applications. It was originally designed by the Google and is now maintained by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation. And it is the backbone of modern cloud computing. Now, how do we talk to this autopilot? How do we tell it what to do? We don't use the steering wheel or joystick. We use a command line tool called kube-ctl. That's where the topic comes in. We are talking about Kubernetes commands. So these are the contents we're going to follow. The basic Kubernetes commands, and then the intermediate Kubernetes commands, and then advanced Kubernetes commands. We're not only going to see it theoretically, but we're also going to perform practically in a terminal. I already done the setup in one of my Raspberry Pi. So we're going to perform the same kube-ctl command in live. Sounds exciting? Let's get started.